The unique feature of Ignis that makes none of a kind in this segment is its unique and iconic design, superior driving experience, tab-like smart play infotainment system, future-ready safety features, last but not the least, personalization to create a unique identity. The Ignis Delta comes with Suzuki logo embedded, chrome finish mesh on its front, which gives an iconic look. It gives you a wide windshield, which gives better visibility while driving. Moving on to the side, you can see side sill with feather ash molding, along with turn indicator on the ORVM with body color door handles. The model Ignis comes with a side scope which is first in class in its segment, along with 15-inch wheel in all the variants. Coming to the sides, you can see a unique design which normally comes with iconic cars. Now moving on to the rear, you can see an integrated graphic which gives a better stand stable during high drive, along with a rear combination split tail lamps which gives a beauty to the car. It also gives you a boot space of 260 liters. Coming on to the interiors, Ignis offers you dual-tone interiors which enhance the beauty of the car. Along with it, the door handles has been given with a titanium finish, which again gives the car a rich and premium look. Apart from that, the ORVMs has been given with the electronically adjustable option. Apart from that, all the 4 doors will be having a 1 liter utility space, coming with 4-door speakers. Ignis comes with a linear dashboard which gives you a better road visibility while driving. Ignis comes with carbon textured lower finish to the AC vents, which is first in class in its segment. It's been provided with a meter accent lighting that adds a sporty look to the meter console. That is also been provided with a brightness adjustment. The model Ignis Delta has been provided with a 2-DIN music system with Bluetooth connectivity, which gives the driver a much convenience of eyes on road, hands on wheel. The audio controls will be given on the steering for ease convenience. The internal gear console is been provided with a titanium finish that is first in class in its segment. It's also been provided with a slight chrome beading surrounding the gear lid. It comes with a 12-watt charging point along with a USB and auxiliary port as an option. The linear dashboard has been provided with a multi-level utility space for better convenience. Safety as a standard, the car has been provided with dual airbags, ABS with ABD, force limiter and pretensioner seat belts, ISOFIX seats, collapsible brake pedals. Ignis comes with a 6-way seat height adjustment. It can be adjusted as per your convenience, that is front, back, up or down, recliner or straight. Coming to the rear seats, the seat has been provided as 40-60 split so that the boot space can be increased in case of 2 persons traveling. Not only that, the seat is also been provided with ISOFIX. ISOFIX helps baby on board safe while driving. Ignis offers you 1.2 liter VVT petrol engine and 1.3 liter DDIS diesel engine. Not only that, Ignis offers you AGS in both petrol and diesel, which is first in class in its segment.